channel. Today I will be getting into nails. Now if you anything like me and you work full time, some of you may go to school, some of you may have kids, and you just don't have time to go to the nail salon as often as you like or whatever. So I'm sure you all have seen this product or something like it in the store. It is by Kiss and it is the Brush On Gel Nail Kit. You may have been wondering, is it worth it? I mean, I got it from my local Walgreens and it was only $10.79. So tonight I will be doing a tutorial on this and I'll definitely let you know what I think about it. And then later on, I'll be posting an update in the description on how long it lasted me. So I'll go ahead and open up the kit and we'll get started. Alright, so now I'm going to just be showing y'all what comes in the kit. So here we got our tips. These are the clear tips and these are the tips for the French manicure, which these are the ones that I'll be using tonight because I'm being lazy and I don't feel like paint my nails and then putting the clear on there. So I'm just going to use the French manicure tips for the first time. And then later on down the line, I'll use these tips with my own colors and designs or whatever. But tonight, I'll just be doing the French manicure with the clear coat. So this is what came in the kit. Besides the tips, we have the activator. We have a nail file. The instructions, of course. The nail glue is mine. I will be using my own nail glue to put the tips on because this is my first time using this kit. So I don't know how strong this brush on gel is. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to use my own nail glue. It's come with the cuticle thingy, the cleaner, brush cleaner. And that's about it. I have my own nail clippers on the side and some paper towels just in case I need those. Alright, so let's get into the process. Alright y'all, so I got all of my tips on. Now this is going to be the most important part of this whole process, and it is the actual applying of the gel nails. So here is the brush on gel, here is the cleaner, and then here is the activator. So what we're going to do, we're going to put on layers of the gel, and on top of the gel we're going to apply the activator. So these two together is what actually makes the nail. This is just the cleaner. This is where the brush is going to go because the activator does not have a brush. Okay, so I can go ahead and take this off. So we'll start off with the gel, the layer of the gel, and then the brush from the cleaner is what we use to apply the activator. When we're done using the activator, we just put the brush back in here, and that's what keeps the brush from getting hard, is when we put it back in the cleaner. All right, so I'll go ahead and get started. And so I'll just apply a layer of gel to all of my nails. And I'll do this hand just to show you guys. And then I'll do this hand off camera just to save some time. So I'll go ahead with the first layer of gel on my left hand. And then I'll go in with the activator. And I can already see it thickening up. So again, when I'm done with the activator brush, I put it back into the cleaner to keep it soft. So I'll go on with my next nail with the gel. And then the activator. Gel. Activator. Gel. Activator. Gel. And activator. All right. So just because it still looks a little bit thin, and as you can see, my tips is still not on a layer with the rest of my nail, I'm going to go ahead and do another layer of the gel and activator. Alright, y'all, so I am finally finished with my nails and they are super cute. I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about this kit. First of all, I did have to go back in with a third layer to get it as thick as I want it to be. So what I like is that it doesn't stink. It doesn't smell as strong as the acrylic kits. It actually smells just like fingernail polish. So it wasn't too strong. And I love my nails. They do feel like they're going to last for about a week or two, which is good for me because I don't want to keep them on that long anyway. I do work in the medical field, so sometimes nails just gets on my nerves. So what I don't like about it is, so the instructions say that you put on your layer of gel and then you use your activator, right? Now the activator doesn't come with the brush as mentioned earlier, and the cleaner is supposed to be used to keep this brush clean while using the activator. But what I found towards the end about this gel, for one, being that I had to go back with 3 layers, it's kind of like towards the end, I found myself kind of running out of gel. So it's like I had to keep picking up the bottle and kind of tilt it to get more out of it. And it was actually this brush that started to get hard, which was also a problem for me towards the end. So I tried to put this brush in the cleaner just to, get it back how it was. But yeah, it wasn't working. So, but I managed to go ahead and finish. I did go over my nails with my own clear nail polish, just to give it that glossy look. And this is the final outcome, guys. So again, this kit was only $10.79 from Walgreens. The nails do feel secure. I don't feel like they're going to pop off. But like I said, a week or two down the line, I'll put in the description box down below the video to let you know how long the nails actually lasted me. So that's it, you guys. And thanks for watching.